Audio Jungle.
Before we get started, make sure you like my video and subscribe my channel. Tools required to clean the air filter of Honda Hornet are screwdriver, rugged cloth, soap solution, brushes. Step 1. Open the air filter. First, we remove the seat of the Honda Hornet and unscrew the 4 screw that holds the cap of the filter. We take out the filter and clean the surface. Step 2. Cleaning the components. We clean the components of the air filter with a soap solution.
Baseline gonna make man shatter.
Step 3. Assembly of the air filter. Here, we would replace with a new air filter along with the cleaned components of the filter. And put back the seat.